Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you guys on how to make the easiest DIY blackhead peel off face mask. So, without further ado, let's start it. Okay, first take the egg white and then I will put on all over my face using pen brush. You can even use any brush that you have at home, but I prefer pen brush because it is cheap. What I will do is I will put first the egg white and then I will put a layer of tissue and then I will put again the egg white. Let's begin the fun part. Yeah. Yeah guys, it should look like this, but I know you guys can do better than this. And I cannot talk like normal right now because my skin feels very tight. So I will wait for 10 minutes or until this mask dry. And yeah, see you guys in 10 minutes. My mask is completely dry and it looks like half an hour to be really dry. Maybe it's depend on how much you put the egg white on your face. So now it is the moment of truth and let's get this mask off from my face. I'm back and I already washed my face and my skin feels so smooth, so tight because the egg white acts as an agent to smooth and tighten the skin. Guys, when I tell you that this mask is really working, it's really working. From here I can see that my blackhead and also my whitehead is so many and it's really disgusting. But guys, it's really working. You should try this. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button. See you guys in the next video and bye. Peace.